One AI agent is useful. Connected AI agents change everything. Over the last 7 episodes, we've broken down each agent type individually: data extraction, communication approval and workflow, reporting and analytics, customer facing, finance and invoicing, each one delivering real operational value on its own. But today, the final episode of the AI Agent Playbook. We are talking about what happens when you connect them, when you stop thinking about individual agents and start building a unified ecosystem where every agent works together, passes information between each other, and operates as a single intelligent system inside your business. I'm Dan Pereira, and this is where everything we've covered comes together. Let me explain what a connected agent ecosystem actually looks like in practice. Right now, most businesses running agents are running them in isolation. One agent handles customer inquiries, another processes invoices, another pulls reports, but they are all operating independently. There's still manual work happening in the gaps between them. Someone copying data from one system to another, someone triggering the next step manually, someone chasing an update that should have been automatic. A connected ecosystem eliminates those gaps entirely. Your data extraction agent pulls information, feeds it directly to your reporting agent. No manual export, no spreadsheet in between. Your communication agent receives an inbound inquiry, qualifies the lead, and triggers your approval agent to route it to the right person with full context attached. Your finance agent detects a completed project milestone and automatically generates and sends the invoice. No one has to remember to bill. Your reporting agent surfaces an anomaly and triggers an alert to your communication agent, which notifies the right stakeholder immediately. Every agent aware of what the others are doing. Every handoff's automatic. Every decision point defined. The business runs and your team manages exceptions, not processes. Now here's the governance framework that makes connected ecosystem safe to operate and scale. And this is critical because the more connected your agents are, the more important your control layer becomes. There are 5 components we build into every ecosystem we implement. First, define agent boundaries. Every agent in your ecosystem has a clearly defined scope. What data it can access, what action it can take, what it cannot do without human approval. Those boundaries are set at implementation and cannot be overridden by the agent itself. Second, human approval gates. For every high-stake decision point in your ecosystem, financial approvals, customer escalations, contract triggers, compliance-sensitive actions, there is a human gate. The agent prepares, flags, and presents. The human decides, always. Third, inter-agent communication protocols. Where agents pass information between each other, that data transfer needs to be encrypted, logged, and validated. You need to know exactly what data moved, when it moved, and what triggered it. No black boxes between agents. Fourth, a central audit log. One unified log that captures every action across every agent in your ecosystem in real time. Not separate logs per agent. No central record. So if anything never needs to be reviewed, investigated, or audited, you have a complete picture of exactly what happened and when. Fifth, failure protocols. What happens when an agent hits something it wasn't built to handle? It doesn't guess, it doesn't fall silently, it flags, escalates to a human, and holds until the exception is resolved. Your ecosystem should be designed to fail gracefully, not catastrophically. These 5 components are what separates an agent ecosystem that scales with your business from one that creates liability as it grows. Let me give you a real example of what this looks like when it's built right. We built a connected agent ecosystem for a mid-sized logistic company. 5 agent types, data extraction feeding their reporting system, communication agents handling inbound freight inquiries and routing them through an approval workflow, a finance agent processing invoices automatically against completed delivery records, and a reporting agent surfacing operational anomalies every morning before the leadership team starts their day. Before the ecosystem, 4 people coordinating manually across 3 separate systems, information gaps causing delays, invoices going out late, leads being missed after hours, leadership spending more time managing operational chaos than actual running the business. After the ecosystem, processing time across their entire operation dropped 65%. Invoice error rate dropped to near zero. Inbound inquiry response time went from hours to seconds. And their leadership team, for the first time, had a live, accurate picture of their business every single morning without anyone having to compile it. That's what a connected ecosystem delivers, not just automation. Operational clarity at a level most businesses have never experienced. So here's the big picture takeaway as we close out this series. AI agents are not a technology trend. They are an operational infrastructure shift. The businesses building connected agent ecosystem right now are not just becoming more efficient, they are building a structural advantage that compounds every single week. Lower operational cost, faster decision making, higher margins, better customer experience, acquisition readiness. Every business we've worked with that has gone through this process, from individual agents to a connected ecosystem, has come out the other side operating at a fundamentally different level than their competitors. The question is not whether you should be building this. The question is how fast you can move. This has been the AI Agent Playbook, 8 episodes, 8 agent types, 1 framework for building a business that runs smarter, scales faster, and operates with the kind of precision that used to require a team twice the size. If you're ready to start building your agent ecosystem, the next step is a conversation with us. Book your free consultation at jxtech.ai. Let's map out your full ecosystem, agent by agent, system by system, and build something that actually changes how your business operates.